In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot issues with sending emails through Mailchimp. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a business owner just starting out, sending emails is crucial to connecting with your audience. So when you hit a snag in sending emails, it can be frustrating. But don't worry, by the end of this guide, you'll have a clear idea of how to resolve these issues efficiently. First, let's start with the basics by checking your internet connection. It may sound simple, but a stable and reliable connection is essential when sending emails. Make sure your internet is working properly before diving deeper into more technical areas. Alongside this, ensure that you're aware of Mailchimp's server status. Head to the Mailchimp status page. A quick online search should land you there, and verify if there are any ongoing issues or scheduled maintenance. This can save you a lot of unneeded stress if the problem stems from their end. Once you're certain it's not an issue with the internet or Mailchimp servers, it's time to check your account specifics. Ensure you're aware of your sending limits and account status. Mailchimp has specific daily and monthly sending limits that vary depending on your plan. Double check you haven't hit these limits and that your account is in good standing without any warnings or restrictions. This step is essential, as exceeding limits or account suspensions can halt your email campaigns in their tracks. Next, take a detailed look at your email content. Have a quick review for any spam triggers or errors. Certain words and formatting, for example, words like free or excessive exclamation points, can land your emails in spam folders or cause delivery issues. Utilize Mailchimp's built-in spam checker if you need help identifying potential issues. Also, make sure that links and images in your email are correctly formatted to avoid broken links or display issues upon sending. Now it's time to verify that your recipient's email addresses are valid and haven't been marked as bounced, and invalid or bounced email addresses can affect deliverability rates. Take a moment to scrub your email list to ensure it's clean and up to date. It's a good habit to validate addresses regularly to keep your database reliable and efficient. Once you've worked through these checks, do a test run. Send your email to a small segment of your audience or to a test email address. This trial run can help you identify issues in a controlled environment before impacting your entire audience. Monitor the results and adjust any identified problems accordingly. If after all these steps you continue to face issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Mailchimp support. Their support team is equipped to delve into more complex technical difficulties you might be encountering, and they'll be able to provide more personalized assistance. By following these steps, you can tackle most email sending challenges within Mailchimp. Whether it's a simple fix or requires a bit more digging, you're now better equipped to ensure your campaigns get to their intended recipients efficiently. Happy emailing!